Dear students, today we'll see environmental pollution and its management. This is your chapter number 5 and we'll discuss here air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, marine pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, nuclear hazards. Definition of pollution. When harmful substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. Pollution refers to a very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of any component of the environment, that is air, water, soil, which can cause harmful effects on various forms of life or property. Pollution. The term pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing nuisance, harmful effects, uneasiness to the organisms, to the living organisms. Pollutant. Any substance causing nuisance or harmful effects or uneasiness to the organisms, then that particular substance may be called as pollutant. So different environmental complaints: noise 11%, solid waste problems 14%, odor 13%, wastewater 15%, air problems 21%, others 26%. Now you see types of pollution. There are 5 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, and radioactive pollution. First, we'll see air pollution. What is atmosphere first? Atmosphere is the life blanket of Earth. It is therefore very essential that we know more about the atmosphere and the way in which it is polluted. Air is considered safe when it contains no harmful dust and gases. Causes. Causes of air pollution. Major sources of air pollution are industries, automobiles, domestic fuels, high proportion of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Then dust, maybe from the cement industry, foundry dusts, and wind-blown solid dust. Then mist, smoke, carbon black, aerosols. So these are different causes of air pollution. What are the effects? What are the effects due to this air pollution? Now, it affects human health. Obviously, if the air quality is bad, first of all, it affects the health of the living beings. So, human health problem, animals, plants, the atmosphere as a whole, global warming issues, ozone layer problem, acid rain, various respiratory problems, etc. Now, here, how to avoid the air pollution? Yes, we can avoid air pollution in the following ways. use of natural gases like liquefied petroleum gas in autos to avoid crackers during the different processions, during the different celebrations. Use less amount of fuel for the vehicles. Use electric stoves, biogases like this. Control of air pollution, standard for air, laboratory equipment, ambient air monitoring station, portable gas analyzer, smoke control action plan. So these are the control of air pollution standards. We have to. What is smoke control action plan? SCAP. What is its aim? To curb down number of diesel-driven vehicles emitting black smoke. This smoke control action plan launched in August 2013. Two main components of this cap has enforcement, then sensitization. Enforcement, roadside checkings, contraventions of smoky vehicles by police, environment, then sensitization campaign through different social media, TV, radio like this. Then water pollution. Water pollution like air, the outside, any physical like temperature, oxygen level, chemical like mercury, or biological disease, sewage, change to water that adversely or negatively affecting the use by alive beings. We are called it water pollution. Sources of water pollution. Most of water pollution is man-made and it may also occur naturally by addition of soil particles through erosion, animal waste, leaching of minerals from the rocks, etc. The sources of water pollution can be defined in that ways. Municipal wastewater, the prime source of the municipal water body. So municipal wastewater, urban area water problems, mainly causes caused due to these sources. Municipality wastewater, then industrial waste, then organic pollutants, inorganic pollutants, agricultural wastes, marine pollution, thermal pollution. These are the main sources of the water pollution. Causes of water pollution. About 40% of deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes and effluents discharged into rivers. What is industrial waste? Let's see. The major source of water pollution is the wastewater discharged from different industries, different commercial bodies. These industries are chemical, metallurgical, food processing industries, textile, paper industries, etc. They discharge several organic and inorganic pollutants that prove highly toxic to living beings. You see, industrial wastes. Inorganic pollutants. They may include fine particles of different metals, chlorides, sulfates, oxides of iron, cadmium, acids, and alkalis. So these are the inorganic pollutants. Then organic pollutants. They include oil, fat, phenols, organic acids, grease, and several other organic wastes. Agricultural wastes. The wastes from the agricultural are chemical fertilizers, pesticides, those were used in the agricultural field to get high yielding of crops. They have become potential source of water pollution. Fertilizers contain major plant nutrients, mainly nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Excess fertilizer reach to the groundwater table by leaching action and may be mixed with the surface water also. Then marine pollution. Ocean are the final sink of all natural and man-made pollutants. Rivers discharge their pollutions into the sea. The sewage and the garbage of coastal cities also dumped into the sea. Other sources include discharge of oil, gas, greases, detergents, radioactive waste from ships, also dumped in ships. Sea. Then thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water is caused by the rise in temperature of water. Thermal pollution. It caused by the rise of temperature of water. The main source of thermal pollution are the thermal plants and nuclear power plants. The power generating plants use water as coolants and release hot water into the original source. Sudden rise in temperature kills the aquatic animals, fish, etc. How to avoid the water pollution? As you see, different regions of water pollution, causes of water pollution. Now let's see what are the avoidance solutions of water pollution. Rivers should not be used for washing clothes or bathing of animals in it. Harvesting the rainwater to meet water shortage. Dams and embankments must be created. The rivers must not be contaminated. In rivers, the dead bodies should not be thrown. What are the different effects of water pollution? Some very deadly diseases are waterborne diseases like cholera, then malaria, typhoid spreads during the rainy season, dengue due to the water and the mosquitoes. Aquatic life gets destroyed due to the water pollution. Thank you so much. Before closing this water pollution, let's see again causes. The main causes or sources of water pollution again. The main water pollution sources are the urban waters. So here we can see mostly the industrialization and the urbanization. The water is the first target to be polluted due to the urbanization and industrialization. So the sources of water pollution starts from this urbanization source, which is municipal wastewater. Then the second is also the industrialization wastes, the industrial waste which creates or which pollutes the water. Inorganic pollutants, organic pollutants, agricultural waste, marine pollution, thermal pollution. So as we see all different types of pollutants polluting the water bodies, here see this slide, the inorganic pollutants. You see the picture? Hmm? The inorganic pollutants, you just see the picture. They include fine particles of different metals, chlorides, sulfates. You see the picture. And you'll find out, you'll find the different inorganic pollutants. Organic pollutants, you see, find in the picture that the oil, fats, phenols, organic acid, grease, these are all pollutes the water body. You see the agriculture waste from the urban to the rural, where agriculture is there, we must we are definitely using nowadays chemical fertilizers and pesticides which are becoming our essential part of the agriculture to get the high yielding of crop. Excess fertilizers reach to the ground water by leaching and mixed with the surface water of the rivers, lakes, ponds through runoff and drainage and marine pollution. Then there is another problem is the thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is the pollution due to the rise in temperature of the water which changes the biodiversity of the water life, the aquatic life. Sudden rise in temperature kills the fish other aquatic animals, changes their habitats. So we must avoid as much as possible to save water and not to pollute water. So in the next class, we'll study the land pollution and other pollution chapters. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's finish up here.